Fox.
On the date, little dude asked me.
What'd he say?
He say, Million, why you always by yourself? Every time I see you, you by yourself. I say, man, look, I got niggas, you know, so I got a handful of niggas. They ain't with me today. It might not be with me tomorrow.
Might not be tomorrow.
VR, you gotta stay by yourself.
Solo.
I'm semi by myself. Look on my feet. The nigga say, damn,
You can catch me riding solo. Me and my fofo got a couple niggas, but today I'm riding dolo. Only nigga with me is the man on my polo. I don't put my trust in niggas no more.
Why?
I ain't gon' murder myself. I ain't gon' tell on myself. I ain't gon' lie on myself. I ain't gon' set up myself. I ain't gon' murder myself. I ain't gon' tell on myself. I ain't gon' lie on myself. I ain't gon' set up myself. You might catch me riding by myself. Cause when the Lord call me, I'ma die myself. I hear the lick, I ain't gotta worry about who gon' snitch. Interrogate me all you want, I ain't telling you shit. I go to jail, who gon' come with me? That's what I thought. So I walk alone, and that's a long motherfucking walk. My CEO and me just had a long fucking talk. It's time to get to this money and half of these niggas short. I quit fucking with so-and-so, cause niggas get the legion. Some niggas ain't got no hustle, just waiting for you to feed them. And I see them through my dose and Gabbana glasses. Pussies talk behind your back with they puss asses. They say watch your enemies, but watch your friends closer. Half of the niggas hating on me, sleeping on the sofa. I'm getting older, I ain't got time for petty shit. A group of niggas on Fox, Boost and Webby Dick. You can catch me riding solo. Me and my fofo got a couple niggas, but today I'm riding dolo. Only nigga with me is the man on my polo. I don't put my trust in niggas no more.
Why?
I ain't gon' murder myself. I ain't gon' tell on myself. I ain't gon' lie on myself. I ain't gon' set up myself. I ain't gon' murder myself. I ain't gon' tell on myself. I ain't gon' lie on myself. I ain't gon' set up myself. I be riding with my top down. I like to feel the wind. Me and my old lady, or one of my kin. My cousin Dwayne, he like to tell jokes. Or my cousin Emmett, he like to sell dope. I pop a Loratel and let the world spin. I put one in the chamber, cause that's my girlfriend. I call her Pretty Black, she make them niggas holler. Got her from the pawn shop, she wasn't a virgin when I got her. Riding solo with my hat to the back. Music real loud, looking like I caught a flat. Low profile, ties black on black. Basketball leather in that thing, how you love that? I don't trust a bitch as far as I can throw her. Cause bitches get you set up, I know you think you know her. Shorty asked me where I stay, but I ain't about to show her. She ain't finna have them niggas at my door. You can catch me riding solo. Me and my fofo got a couple niggas, but today I'm riding dolo. Only nigga with me is the man on my polo. I don't put my trust in niggas no more.
Why?
I ain't gon' murder myself. I ain't gon' tell on myself. I ain't gon' lie on myself. I ain't gon' set up myself. I ain't gon' murder myself. I ain't gon' tell on myself. I ain't gon' lie on myself. I ain't gon' set up myself. What I don't get is part-time hate. Hate on you 1 minute, the next minute asking for favors. A lot of niggas say I changed since I got some fame. And you niggas the main reason for my fuck you shame. Niggas gon' holler, I don't speak and don't answer my phone. I probably heard some shit you said, now who dick you on? You niggas starving out your front when I come round. Shoes all run down. How about you sell dope and you ain't seen 1 pound? That's why I be dolo. A click of niggas no. I play this game by myself, chess game. Go ho, I be on the low though. My cars never photo, cause I don't need a bunch of niggas hopping in. Oh no, my nigga Tooth in jail now. I talked to him today. He telling me about these rat niggas all up in my face. That's why I play it like I play it, by my lonely. Niggas I thought was real and the phone.
Best way is to stay to your motherfucking self. You don't want to learn the hard way. What you need to do though is get you a good filter. You heard me? You get a good relationship with your filter. You know, I mean, I talk to my gun. You know, I talk to her like it's a real bitch. You know, make her feel good. You know, so she won't do me nothing. You know, she fuck over them other niggas. You know what I'm talking about? That's what it is though. You heard me, Dolo.